I mean, charge will go faster. If you go slower, if you got level 2, you will get like 7 to 8 hours, you know. At level 1, maybe 10 hours, you know. Yes. Yeah, it depends on which level of speed and assist you use, okay? If your tire need air, just put at up to 40 psi.
You have to put 12 every day or no?
No, like when after the rain, dry it and put oil, because rain will shower all the oil on the chain. Otherwise, yeah, you can come to us, we'll put free oil, okay? No problem. Let me give you this box. This one, you have your charger here. You have a pump, you know, this is an air pump. And you have a set of tools, some screwdriver. Yes, for those things.